Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying prerequisites and preparing keys. You need UEFI firmware and the OS to support Secure Boot, so check firmware settings now and confirm TPM status. Once done, back up the system image and export current platform keys to external media. Make sure you have admin rights and a firmware password set. Next, generate or import a signing key pair for your bootloader and kernel. This prevents lockout and ensures you can sign binaries before enabling Secure Boot. You now create and deploy the signing chain. Generate a platform key, key exchange key, and a database signing key, storing private keys securely offline. Then sign the bootloader and kernel images with your DB key and verify signatures locally to avoid surprises. Next, reboot into firmware and import keys in the required order. Install the platform key first, then the KEK, then the DB entry. Make sure to follow firmware prompts and confirm each import succeeded before proceeding to enabling policies. You finish by enabling Secure Boot in the UEFI settings after key imports validated. Reboot and observe the boot path. Secure Boot will permit only signed binaries. If the system fails to boot, don't panic. Reboot into firmware, disable Secure Boot temporarily, or use your recovery USB to restore keys or re-sign problematic files. Make sure to document the exact error and steps you took. Finally, keep an offline backup of keys and recovery media so you can recover quickly if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.